A randomized control trial is a type of research design. It is not a data collection method. And this is an important distinction because I just saw a video talking about how even if someone was looking at randomized control trials, like the gold standard, the best of research, they would have limitations in their study. And they went on to give examples of the limitation being like they wouldn't be able to understand someone's lived experiences or like the barriers to getting good healthcare. And that's not true. Because research design is about the types of conclusions you can draw. Data collection methods are more about like what more specifically you could learn. The purpose of a randomized control trial is to attempt to get at causality. Does this thing cause this other thing? You can do a randomized control trial and do interviews and surveys or site visits and really try to get a deep understanding of people's lived experiences as part of that randomized control trial. I've worked on 2 randomized control trials, and in both of them, we used surveys and interviews to better understand people's lived experience. So when you're designing a study, you're thinking through 2 different choices. One is, what is the research design? And that choice is guided by something, to overly simplify it, as like, do you want to attempt to prove causality, or do you want to describe what you see? Describe what's happening. Maybe you want to do both. Then you have to choose the methods, and the methods, the data collection methods you use, are the ones that make the most sense to answer your research question. Okay, to answer this research question, do I need to do interviews? Do I need to do a survey? Do I need to do a site visit? Do I need to collect samples from people because I'm doing medical research? Research design, data methods. They're not the same thing, and you can learn a lot of the same things no matter what type of design you use. It just will change the types of conclusions you can draw from your data.